First of all, better understanding the people and better listening, because you need to understand the people in front of you, first of all, to have a proper communication. And I guess this program is telling us and learning us to this understanding and to this listening, and to get the whole idea of it.
It has a lot of value in, to meet other people from other nationalities, but it's also very interesting to learn how other countries are dealing with problems that you might find as well in some sort of way at your own districts, regions and stuff. So that's kind of interesting, and it's very interesting actually. It's and very funny that you also have the time to chat with others, and they're really also very eager to discuss the problems, and are really willing to listen to your story and where you're dealing with at home, or well, what's actually going quite well, for example. Yeah.
I think it's quite interesting, meeting lots of people from different backgrounds, both academically and country of origin, and a mix of cultures. And it's interesting to see how they, different people consolidate their ideas, how they discuss, how they pass their points across, and having something common to work on, seeing how you can pull the synergies and differences into one particular direction. So for me, I think it's really interesting and mind-opening as well, just to understand how different people work.